Hey, Socialites. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Ariell. I create mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle vlogs. So if that's the type of content you enjoy, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and join the family. Today's going to be the full review of Nicki Minaj's new fragrance, the Pink Friday 2 fragrance. Before we jump into the review, let's quickly unlock the next day in the advent calendar. Today is day 3 in Vlogmas, meaning I'll be uploading a video every single day in the month of December. So let's see what we got for day 3 in our Sephora advent calendar. Okay, so 3 is up here. This is a big one. Oh, big for no reason. It's something tiny. Okay, so day 3, we got a teeny tiny beauty blender. This is the smallest beauty blender I've ever seen. I mean, I guess you could use this for just like tiny bit inner corner. What? Okay, so jumping right into the review. This is the Nicki Minaj Friday 2 fragrance. This is the box. It's just a typical cardboard box. Nothing too fancy, although I do think that the gold and pink is really cute. It gives Nicki Minaj, you know what I mean? How they have the gold chain. She's a rapper, so I feel like they nailed the packaging. This is what the actual bottle of the fragrance looks like. I think her other Pink Friday fragrance looks like this. I've never purchased any Nicki Minaj fragrances. This is the first, but I did see them post that this was coming out on Trend Mood, and when I read the notes sounded so amazing. I knew it was something that I wanted to try, although it doesn't smell like what I thought it would smell like from reading the notes, if you get what I'm saying. A Nicki Minaj with the pink wig on it, like her little body. I mean, if you're a Nicki Minaj fan, I feel like you're gonna love this. Y'all, the face is just really so realistic, like the bone structure and everything, the nose, the mouth. It's really like Nicki Minaj's face. It's cute if you're into this sort of thing. I feel like it's a bit youthful, or either it's for like a Nicki Minaj fan, you know what I mean? So you take the actual head off, and then this is what you're left with to spray. To be honest, you guys, I don't know when this launched. I picked it up from JCPenney's. They had a few left over there, but from what I've been reading, it was supposed to launch sometime in December. I got it a few days ago, and I see that it's not online anymore. It's saying sold out, and I don't see anybody carrying it. So I'll update the description box if I can find out when it actually launches or how the launch is gonna go. So it retailed for $56 at JCPenney's. So per Fragrantica, this fragrance is categorized as a musky powdery scent, and I feel like it is musky and powdery for sure, and clean. It gives like a nice shampoo or a nice soap, but in the best way. So the top notes of this is solar notes, nectarine, and pineapple. The middle notes is mimosa, damask, rose, and African orange flower. And then the base notes is musk, amber, and tonka bean. I typically love anything with tonka bean in it, like tonka, and so I just felt like this would be right up my alley with the fruity notes, but it gives something much different. You guys, this smells like, if you've ever smelled one of the Clean Reserve scents, it smells like Clean Reserve Skin and Clean Reserve Sparkling Sugar had a baby. So it's not quite as sweet as Clean Reserve Sparkling Sugar, but it's not quite as skin-like as Clean Reserve Skin. It smells like a mixture of the two. So it's sweet, but it's an understated sweet, fresh. Think of a really nice shampoo type situation. Now, I have worn it a couple times already. I get about 3 hours on the skin before it turns into a skin scent, and then I could pretty much smell it for the rest of the day on my skin, but it's really close to the skin, if you get what I mean. So this is one that you'll have to sort of keep in your purse and carry around with you, because it's gonna fade off in a couple hours. So I feel like this fragrance is gonna be for, number 1, the Nicki Minaj lovers who want to support Nicki Minaj. Number 2, for those who like those clean scents. If you want something that's not too sweet or too florally or too fruity, if you're one of those that just wants to have on a basic fragrance that just smells nice and clean, like you just have on something clean, then this is for you. It's not a whole lot to it. With that being said, this is something that you could wear anywhere. You can wear this straight out of the shower, around the house, to the gym, to go run errands, something like that. This is going to be a year-round fragrance. I don't feel like, it doesn't really have any spices, and it's not ultra fruity to make it summery, you know know what I mean? This is just something really clean that you could wear year round, any day of the week, super casual. As far as layering options, if I were to layer this, I would probably layer it with Clean Reserve Sugar. I think these two would go really nice together. It's gonna add that added sugar note to this one to make it a little bit sweeter, not a whole lot sweet, because if you know anything about Clean Reserve sparkling sugar, it's not super sugary sweet. It's just clean with just a touch of sweet to it. So I feel like pairing these two together would help it to last a little longer and add an added sweet note to it. I would also layer with something like baby oil gel, or maybe even the Fenty Vanilla Dream body cream, because it's very understated. So the cleanness of the fragrance would probably take center stage. Pink Friday too definitely has like a medium projection. It's not like a beast mode fragrance that's just gonna smell up an entire room. It's medium, you know, it's a moderate projection. Somebody will probably be able to smell you about an arm's length away. Could definitely be considered unisex for sure, because it's just sort of clean and musky to the point where I could see a man wearing this and smell really fresh and clean. It's not feminine, but it's not super masculine either. So comment down below if you've picked up Pink Friday 2 yet, or if you're interested in picking it up. I'll link this down below in the description box, along with any information that I can find on like actual release dates, or maybe it's already released and it just sold out really quick. If you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. I do mostly beauty videos and makeup reviews, but I also do quite a bit of fragrance now as well. I would love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on tomorrow's video. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love, 'cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have the